If you're having problems with your Bluetooth headphones only connecting as voice but not connecting as stereo, try this. I appreciate that there's loads of tutorials on the internet which try and solve this, and personally, none of them worked for me. So hopefully this solution is a bit different and hopefully it works for you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your start menu and open up Control Panel. You can just search Control Panel, and I think on Windows 10 it's like an option on the sidebar of the start menu, but just open up Control Panel. So once you've opened Control Panel, what you're going to want to do is type Control Panel / hardware and sound / devices and printers. If you click this on Windows 11, it opens a different menu. So what you want to do is actually type Control Panel / hardware and sound / devices and printers and hit enter. Okay, now you should see a list of your devices and you should see your Bluetooth headphones on here. What you want to do is right click your Bluetooth headphones and click Properties. And then once this new window pops up, just click on the Hardware tab. Okay, so once you've got this window open, you're going to see a list of devices. What you want to do is uninstall each device except the Bluetooth ones, and you're going to do the ones with the speaker icon last. So to uninstall these devices, all you need to do is click on the name of it and then click Properties. And then once you've clicked Properties, you'll get another window. You want to do Change Settings, and then you get another window. Click Driver, and then click Uninstall Device, and then click Uninstall. And then you need to repeat that for every single one of these, except the ones with the Bluetooth icon, and then do the speaker ones last. Then once you've done that, click OK. Then what you want to do is turn off Bluetooth on your computer. So you can open this Bluetooth icon here and then just turn your Bluetooth off, or you can unplug your Bluetooth adapter if you've got one. Then put your headphones in pairing mode, turn your Bluetooth back on, connect your headset again, and it should be fixed. So yeah, hopefully that fixes it for you. Let me know in the comments if it worked. Thanks.